can't believe where we are again today. There it goes. Oh boy. Back at the Apple store. Oh, hello. It's so weird not going inside.
Definitely a different time.
Oh, you need me to take my mask off?
Oh, it would be totally fine. Thank you. And that should be coming out in just a little bit. Just gonna sit right here.
Okay, thank you. Just fresh back from the Tampa International Plaza / mall. I did go to Apple. And I did get a new item. This is the new MacBook Air. This will be my first laptop, personal laptop in many years. Why did I choose this? The silicone chip that's in here, which is called the M1. This year is the first year that Apple has released their own chipset. One of the softwares that I'm really interested to see the performance on is a software that I had mentioned before by Sony. It's called Catalyst Browse. Catalyst Browse is a software, it's an app that can stabilize Sony camera images. So let's get started. It's like a kid, right? Nice. And let's see if this opens. Nice. Oh, there it is. Isn't that the coolest thing? Got that little tab. Very nice. Very nice. Again, this is the MacBook Air 13-inch. Let's take this off. And there it is. Logo. Whoa, did you hear that? That was exciting. There's a protective cover.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's so smart. Anyway, it's asking me to do a bunch of things. I've never set up a MacBook before. It's okay. But I wanted to talk about this. Again, this has been supercharged with the M1, the Apple M1 chip. It's the thinnest, lightest notebook. This one has 8 gigabytes of memory. There are 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 connectors there. This is your headphone jack. And I like that it's a regular headphone. from the old school. And what else is in the box? This is the long cable for charging, and then the actual charger. It's right there, USB-C. And then all the famous paperwork that they have. It's their copyright info. And their famous Apple stickers, which I'm going to put on here. And let's see what else they have in here. That's it. That's all they have. That's all I have in the box. So I hope you enjoyed this video, the unboxing of the new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. If you have any questions, concerns, of course, if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. I will be testing this machine, this laptop, in the next few weeks to see if it handles the way I'd like it to handle. Once I understand how to use the MacBook, so it'll be fun. Thank you very much, and have a good day.